Hi, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We were doing a gutter clean here today, and I noticed a few things on the shingles that could use a tune-up and then some improvement. So what I thought I would do is basically film a video to kind of point out what I noticed, and that way you'll kind of understand what the photos are. It's kind of hard to see with all the trees and everything, but right between here and your drum, if you look me you look right there, there's some missing shingles. You can see it a little bit better from here. I did send you some photos. You're down to the plywood here, and this definitely needs to be repaired. So there was numerous spots in your house. The ridge cap was not installed properly. I was able to lift it up with my thumb. I'm supposed to use long 3 inch 16 inch penny nails, and I didn't see any of that. So a couple of other photos. Everything else seemed pretty decent. There's various thermal cracks on the property. Your plumbing boots are starting to get a little wavy. Those generally only last about 7 to 10 years old, so I'm surprised I don't see any cracks in them. You have 3 of them on your house. Those rubber gaskets around those boots there. So I'm gonna get a roof tune-up at least, followed by a roof conditioning treatment with a Roof Max oil. It's a penetrating oil. Take a look at this video at the end of this. That kind of explains what the service is and how you can extend the life of your roof and prevent having to prematurely replace your roof. This was the spigot that was leaking, so if you want to get that replaced or repaired, we can do that for you. What else? Other than that, everything went pretty straightforward. When I got here, I noticed that there was like direct sunlight on the majority of the door, but now the shade has gone down. That's going to further dry out the finish on the door, and you're going to have to reseal that sooner than later. A company out of Rockford that I used to work for, we did wide plank hardwood flooring and staircase restaining, interior tread sealing. So he would be a great guy to get that resealed for you if you wanted. So I'm going to attach this video. Any questions you have, my personal cell, you can call or text me at 815-520-6020. Thank you.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. Roof Max is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because Roof Max treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with Roof Max, a powerful fusion of science and nature.